question is the median of the following data is 525. Find the value of x and y. Median is given, that is 525. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. If the total frequency is 100, if the total frequency is 100, total frequency means summation of fi. That means n, capital N's value is given, that is 100. Class intervals I will write here. Classes are given 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, and up to 1000. Please write all the classes up to 1000. Frequencies are given, frequencies are, I will write here fi. Frequencies are given 2, 5x, 2, 5x, 12, 17, 20, 12, 17, 20, y 9, 7, 4, y 9, 7, 4. So these are the given frequencies. I will repeat again. For the class 0 to 100, the frequency is 2, 100 to 200, frequency is 5, 200 to 300, it is x, 300 to 400, it is 12, for 400 to 500, 17, 20, y 9, 7, 4. These are the frequencies, and the question is find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Since the given thing is median, see, we have given here median's value. We will use the formula of median, and for median's formula we need to find cumulative frequency. So I will make one more column of cumulative frequency, and cumulative frequency we can get by, we will write 2 as it is, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus x, 7 plus 12 plus x, 7 plus 12 plus x, 7 plus 12, 19 plus x. 19 plus 17 means 19 plus x plus 17. So 19 plus 17 is 36 plus x. 36 plus x plus 20. 36 plus 20 is 56 plus x. Again 56 plus x plus y. So we will write here 56 plus x plus y. Then after we will do addition of 56 plus x plus y plus 9. As we know, 56 plus 9 is 65 plus x plus y. Then 65 plus 7 plus x plus y. 65 plus 7 is 72 plus x plus y. Then 72 plus 4 plus x plus y means 76 plus x plus y. So 76 plus x plus y is the summation of fi. If you will do addition of all these terms, you will get the summation of fi as 76 plus x plus y. So we can write here summation of fi is 76 plus x plus y, means the addition of all the terms mentioned in frequency column. Summation of fi is equal to 76 plus x plus y, but in question already it is given. Summation of fi, that is capital 9, is given 100. So 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. This thing we are going to use afterwards, after we get the value of x. So let's find first x. Classes already we have written. Do we need to find xi? Class marks? Do we need to find here class marks? If mean is asked, then only we need to find class marks. So we are not going to find this column. So we will keep it as it is. Empty रखना है आपको, इसको अभी find नहीं करना है. अगर आपको mean find करना होता, then it is required. xi का column आपको required है. But right now only we are going for the formula of median. Median का ही formula use करना है, तो उसमें आपको formula क्या है? Cumulative frequency is needed, capital N by 2 is needed. Median class you will find, lower limit of median class is needed, and h means class width, all these things. So by the given data, we will write summation of Fi. What is the summation of cumulative frequency? Is this given? As we know, capital N is 100. Capital N is 100 means n by 2 will be 50, right? Yes, n by 2 is 50. And even median also we have given. Median is 525. So in which class 525 will be present? 525 number will be present in which class? 500 to, exactly, 500 to 600. As the median is given, so we can write directly 525 median is present in the class 500 to 600, means this class is median class. If this class is median class, then the lower limit of the median class is 500. Lower limit of the median class is 500. So here we are going to write L is equal to 500. ठीक है, L का वैल्यू हमने लिखा यहाँ पे n by 2 we have. Now the frequency of 500 to 600 is 20. Given frequency of the median class is 20, and therefore this will be the value of f, small f. So f is equal to 20. I have written the value of f also. And what will be the value of cf then? Cumulative frequency क्या होगी आपकी यहाँ पे? Cumulative frequency means capital F जो होता है वो क्या होगी? Okay, the corresponding frequency of f is 56 plus x, right? Cumulative frequency. We are finding now cumulative frequency. So corresponding cumulative frequency of f is 56 plus x. And the preceding cumulative frequency, we are talking about preceding cumulative frequency of the corresponding cumulative frequency to f is 36 plus x. CF फाइंड कैसे करते हैं? CF कौन सा होता है? CF is the preceding cumulative frequency to what? To the corresponding frequency of median class. जो median class का frequency आपको मिलता है, that is F, cumulative frequency मिलता है, उसका जो preceding class होगा, it will be your CF, or you can say capital F or CF, whatever you are going to mention in formula. That will be this is 36 plus x. 36 plus x. All the values right now we have h. H means class width. And how much is this? Class width kitna hai? 0 to 100 means 100. Class width is 100. CF we have 36 plus x. F we have 20. Lower limit 500. N by 2 is 50. Now we will just compare the medians formula with given median. Then there you will get the value of x. After getting x, we are going to use summation of fi. This one. 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. Where you can substitute the value of x. And then there you will get the value of y. What is the formula of median? I'm going to write here. Median is equal to, yes, L plus I will repeat again the formula we have written. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now the median's value we have 525 is equal to X is 9. Let me check. Okay. Then 500 we have written. L is separate thing. And now we are going to write the fraction. N by 2's value we have 50 minus CF. CF is 36 plus x. So 36 plus x you will write in bracket. 36 plus x we will write it in bracket, and value of f is 20. I have written here. H, we know h is class size, and that is how much it is. H is 100. All the values we have written. I'm going to solve it. 525 minus 500, we can shift 500 at left hand side, is equal to 50 minus 36 minus x upon 20 into 100. So this 20 can get reduced with 100. 20 ones are 20, 25s are. And then 525 minus 500. At left hand side, we will get 25. 25. And at right hand side, we'll get 50 minus 36. 50 minus 36. Is it 14? 14. Minus x into 5. 14 minus x into 5. But 5 we can shift on left hand side. So let's shift that 5 on left hand side. It will go in denominator. And then 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore, 14 minus x is equal to 5. We came on the equation 14 minus x is equal to 5. We will solve this equation and we'll get the value of x. So 14 minus x is equal to 5. We are on that point. Minus x is equal to 5 minus 14. Minus x is equal to minus 9 and therefore x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. So we have got the value of x. Now one more value we have, that is summation of fi. Summation of fi is 100, that is the given value. But we have found summation of fi as 76 plus x plus y by calculating the given terms. Now we are going to compare these two. So 100 as it is we will write, 76 as it is, value of x we will substitute here plus y. And therefore we can write it 100 is equal to 76 plus 9. 87, 86. 86 plus y. And then 100 minus 86 is equal to y. 100 minus 86 means y is equal to 15. Yes. Therefore, x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 15. These two are the required values. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 15. These values are the required values.